Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Taken out the chapter,
Morning, ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the conversation, it was going between whom? Frank and Taplu. Who is Frank?
Tableau.
Who is Frank, beta?
Science teacher.
He's a science teacher and Taplu is a student. Okay. Why Taplu was waiting there? For whom he was waiting? For
Mr.
whom?
Crocker Harris.
Harris.
Mr. Crocker Harris.
For?
Mr.
Crocker
Crocker
Harris.
Harris.
Yes, for the teacher Crocker Harris. Okay. And now they start talking and he says that he had been, when Frank, he asked him, then he says that he had been waiting for Crocker Harris and all. And now they talk about science subject and Frank, he says, suppose if the answer is favorable, okay, if you get good marks, then Taplu, he answered, surely he will take science, okay. But Frank, he says that in science we get all slackers. Slackers, I told you, all lazy people. But Taplu, he tries to cut off and he says that I am very, very much interested in science. Then Frank, it is a kind of a satire and irony, and he says that, are you interested? But being a science teacher, he himself is not interested in the subject science that he teaches to the students. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
dialogue, well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal, more exciting than this mark. From here, we have to do. Got everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Taplu, he answers that, well, anyway, sir, if you're not interested, he does not say anything. Lekin he says, but it is much more better than this mark. Now, this boy, he was having a book in his hand, a Greek book written by Aeschylus, the Greek author, and Agamemnon, the name of the play or the book that he's reading. Okay, it is there, and he says that at least science is much better than this mark. Who's this? Real me? One minute, wait. Okay. So he says that at least science is much better than this rubbish that he was reading. What is this mark, Frank? He asks. Okay. Taplu, he answers. Write down. Write means underline it, beta. Aeschylus. Aeschylus is a Greek author, a Greek writer. A Greek writer.
Ma'am, in which line actually I have come?
You find out now which line, how to count the lines and tell you, Divyansh.
Okay, ma'am.
Where we ended yesterday. Where we ended. You know where we ended yesterday? The second dialogue of Taplu then.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
And the book is, it is a Greek book. Agamemnon. Write it. Greek book. So he is reading it and he says that at least science is much better than this book. And your considered view is that the Agamemnon is a muck. और फ्रैंक कहता तुम क्या कह रहे हो, आगमेनन जो है ये रबिश है, it is a good book written by a Greek author. Taplu, he says, well, no, sir, I don't think the play is muck. Okay, I do not think the play, you know, it is a mark. The play is not a rubbish actually. I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot. कहते नहीं मुझे लगता है it's really a very good story. It has a very good plot. A wife murdering her husband and all that. जिसमें a wife, she murders her husband and everything is there. I only meant the way it is taught to us. Just a lot of Greek words strung together in 50 lines. If you get them wrong, okay. Now, Chaplu, he says, no, nothing is wrong with the play. Play, you know, it is very good and it is really a very good story in which the wife, you know, she murders her husband and so on, right? But the way the play has been taught to them, that is not interesting for the students. Why? Because lot of Greek words are taught to them. Okay, and those Greek words, they are used together, that makes the play useless. You sound a little bitter, Tapu. I'm rather sir. Now, on criticizing the book, you know, Frank tells him that you sound a little bitter about Mr. Crocker Harris and so on. Then he says, are you asked to, captain? Captain means, are you asked to stay after the school? No, sir, extra work. Okay. Now he wants to say that your captain means you are asked to stay back as a punishment. Okay. So वो कहता है, no, sir, है ना? I'm staying here for some extra work. Extra work on the last day of the school. Now that was the last day of the school, and he says that you're being asked to stay, and as this is the last day of the school. Yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You would think that he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he's leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am, and look at the weather, sir. Okay. Now, he criticizes the book, then the Frank, you know, he comes to know that some bitterness is there, okay, in him about Mr. Crocker Harris also. And Frank, you know, further he asks him if he's staying back, captain means if he has been asked to stay back as a punishment, okay. Taplu, he replies, ki, no, it is not a punishment. Actually, last week, you know, he was absent for a day and he had to do some work and he was absent for a day, and for which he is compensating now, okay, by doing the extra work. Then he also feels that Mr. Harris, you know, he also has extra work for himself because the next day even Mr. Harris, he would be leaving, the schools would be closed, okay, and that is why. And yes, 1 minute, yes. So he says that if I wouldn't have been staying here, I would have been playing golf. Bad luck, still there is one comfort, you are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow for being a good boy and taking extra work. Now see beta, when Taplu says that I am not staying here as a punishment, actually last week I was ill, I missed a day and I had to compensate for that day. I had to do the work that I was unable to do and it is still pending there. So for that work I'm staying here. So Frank कहता है, oh, it's a bad luck, you know. The weather is so good and you are inside. But there is one comfort, okay? One good thing is there, that tomorrow you're going to get your result and you're going to get a very good result, you know, for being a good boy as you are doing extra work for Mr. Crocker Harris. समझ में आया कि कल जो result मिलेगा, that would be a good one. Why? Because Mr. Crocker Harris, he will give you a very good result. He is going to give you extra marks or something like that. Why? Because you had been doing his extra work by staying back after school. Clear? Nobody
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Or is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
समझ में आ गया? Okay.
Yes,
Well, I'm
ma'am.
not so sure, sir. That would be true of the ordinary masters, all right. Now he says, I'm not sure whether sir is going to give me good marks or not. बोलते it can be said about extraordinary, it can be said about ordinary masters, okay? Means Crocker Harris, he is an extraordinary master, okay? He is very impartial. He doesn't do any kind of partiality. He is very transparent and all. They just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after his taking extra work, okay? And other masters, you know, when they ask the child to do some extra work for them, they surely give extra marks to the child, okay? But those sort of rules don't apply to the Mr. Crocker Harris. But he says these kind of rules, you know, these kind of things, okay, they does not apply to Mr. Crocker Harris. Yes, what happened, Sonali Chaudhary? Yes,
No,
Sonali.
ma'am.
Then why you are raising your hand? Okay,
Sorry, ma'am.
who's this real me? Can I know your name? Who's this real me? So now what happens, beta? They just, you know, he says that they dare not to give any extra mark if the student does extra work for them. But these kind of rules, they do not apply on Mr. Crocker Harris. And I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? And then he says that yesterday, you know, I asked him if he had given me a remove. Remove is the result, okay? And then, you know, sir, what he answered me? No, not. ओके और जब वो पूछता है क्रॉकर हैरिस से तो वो कहता है सर मालूम है उन्होंने क्या आंसर दिया तो फ्रैंक कहता है नो आई डज नॉट नो ओके व्हाट डिड ही आंसर My dear Taplu, I have given you exactly what you deserve. Now Taplu, you know, he tries to imitate Crocker Harris and he gives the answer and says कि जो सर हैं वो कहते हैं my dear Taplu, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. कहता है जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि सर what kind of a result है ना I'm going to get, ठीक है तो उन्होंने सीधे कहा कि I'm not going to give you any extra marks, neither I'm going to deduct your marks, okay? No less and surely no more marks. Whatever you have done in the exam, surely that marks you are going to get, okay? No addition or subtraction of marks will be there for doing any kind of extra work. Do you know, sir, I think he may have marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. अब कहता है सर वो ऐसे नहीं है कि आई एम डूइंग एक्स्ट्रा वर्क फॉर हिम तो वो मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स दे दें श्योरली हो सकता है ही वुड हैव सबट्रैक्टेड माय मार्क्स ही वुड हैव मार्क्ड मी डाउन I mean the man's hardly human. Sorry sir, have I gone too far? Okay, and then he says, you know sir, he is hardly human means he doesn't have any soft feelings, he doesn't have any kindness, you know. And then he realizes his mistake, that he is talking too much about the teacher and says, sorry sir, hai na, I have talked too much about Crocker Harris sir. Okay, then Frank also admits, yes, much too far, yes, you're talking too much about it, okay? Sorry sir, I got carried away. Got it? And then he realizes his mistake and he says, sorry sir, actually I got carried away, I was swayed, you know, by my feelings, I got carried away and that is why I talked too much, okay? Fine, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 And
Yes, ma'am.
whoever is asking me the question why I'm late,